Hey guys,
Hey guys, are you serious?
I have some sad news to tell you.
Bad news, don't start with that. Please don't do this.
Starting from this week, I'm going to be aiming to do either a weekly vlog or just vlogs on the weekend when there's no work.
You're not recording that.
I am.
You're joking.
Just because
No
otherwise,
one cares.
not that it's too much effort, but just because there's not really that much happening when we're working.
Really?
And you've kind of already seen Haarlem. So we'll leave it at that. And thanks for your understanding. Subscribe, like, and it's not funny. Subscribe, like, and we'll talk to you again soon. Have a great one, and we'll see you in Switzerland.